Good morning, students. Welcome to art education class. And today our topic is nature art. As we know, the nature is the guru of the art. We can find different colors, different textures, different forms, different shapes in the nature. Art is not only oriented with drawing. There are different forms of art. When you are dancing, your dance form is an art. When you are singing, it is an art. When you are making some craft work, it also an art. So, art means not only drawing. And all these things, we can find out different sounds in nature. We can find different shapes in nature. We can find different colors in nature. Sometimes on the sky we can find rainbow. It's very colorful. There are 7 colors. So this is one of the art form. So today our topic is nature art. So you can see I have taken some leaves. So today I will try to make something with the leaves. So everyone at first see and enjoy. So here you can see I have taken some leaves. So I just make it color. And you can use different colors. So I'm just trying to do color. Just make some design. These are very normal thing you can do. Try to make small insects. So in this way we can make different insects form with the leaf, or in this leaf we can also make some texture. We can also make some texture. Any kind of texture you can form. So in this way you can decorate, you can make different textures with leaf. So what I am showing, that you can see we can use differently. different natural parts. Here I have shown the examples. I have taken the leaf. You can take other things, different parts of leaf. You can take some leaf, make it colorful, and you can paste on a stick to make a form of tree. And what you can make, don't waste it. Try to hang it in your house. To make the house, you can decorate your own house by making these small things. This is not so tough. So you can see we have tried to make two things. One is the bugs like shape. It's some insects. Another one, textures, different design on the leaf. So we can use leaf in this way. So I hope all of you have enjoyed the class and just try to do in this way to make some design.